Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is That Pinkpreneur. Do love to subscribe. Mwah. Over 22 million jobs were lost in 2020 as a result of the coronavirus pandemic. Many people, however, devised means of making extra money from the comfort of their homes by taking up freelance content creation jobs. At the moment, there are over 57 million freelancers working from home and getting paid. Hey guys, what it do, baby? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, do well to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. Like, share, and comment. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the top 5 sites for freelance content creators in 2021. So if you're looking to make some extra money, if you're looking to make some money to settle some bills, if you're just looking to make some extra money for school, then you are definitely in the right place, and I suggest that you stick through end of this video so you can get to making that money in 2021. And before we start this video, I just want you to know that you are loved, you are special, you are creative, you're innovative, you're smart, and you do not need to be any other person because you are 100% amazing just the way you are. And without further ado, let us get straight into this video. People Per Hour is a freelance job posting site that businesses can use to connect with over 2 million freelance workers around the world. Now, this site was named one of Europe's 100 hot fast startups in 2012. Now, it has niches that range from digital marketing to photography, social media management, amongst others. So if you do digital marketing, if you help to grow up SMEs, if you help to grow businesses, if you're into photography and social media, then you definitely should register on People Per Hour. Now, what I would advise is that you fill out every single thing that needs to be filled so your ratings can go up and a lot of people can recommend you as well. A lot of people have actually talked about People Per Hour. If you've tried People Per Hour, I suggest that you comment down below what your experience was like, and yeah, so you can help other people to understand better what People Per Hour is actually about. Now, when you go to their website, you'd see different things on there, and all you need to do is join the community of freelance workers there. Now, if you are into graphic designing, then you definitely should register on this site. Now, this site is called 99 Designs. This particular site is more focused on freelance graphic designers, and you have to sign up on the platform. Signing up is actually free. You get to find clients on the site as well, and you get to be part of the global community of talented designers. So it's specific and it's more how do I put it, niche-like. So it's basically for people who are into graphic designing, and you get to choose the industries, design categories, and styles of design you want to work in. The rates and rewards vary and depends on the type of work done. 99 Designs have paid over 250 million plus designers over time. Now, a lot of people have been paid from this site, and it's very particular and very specific. So it's like a community of people who are alike. While most other freelance websites offer varying types of content, offer varying types of services for freelancers, this site is more dedicated to people who are into graphic designing. And I think it's actually really nice because you get to connect with like minds. Although there can be some level of competition, given that a lot of people are part of the same industry and are doing almost the same kind of things, but once you stand out, then you're definitely going to get at least 1 or 2 jobs, and you'll be able to pay your bills and all of that. So I suggest that if you're into graphic designing, you definitely check out 99 Designs and start getting that money. I know it might not be exactly easy to do that, given that it's going to be very competitive, but you're definitely going to stand out. And there's so many jobs. There's so many jobs. So you just need to go in there with an open mind and be ready to take on as many jobs as you can so you can actually make some money. Now, the third site I'm going to talk about is Guru.com. Now, Guru is one of the best freelance websites to find and hire freelance content creators with niches ranging from programming to writing to design and art and even to legal services. With a good portfolio and great delivery, you can be making money weekly or even daily that can cater for your money needs. So if you're a lawyer, if you're into programming, if you design, if you write, if you offer so different type of services, then you you're definitely going to want to register on this platform. You can honestly do this as a side hustle just to make some extra money for school and all of that. So if you've got talent, if you offer actual services, yeah, just register on the platform, and then you can set your prices. Now, price range depends largely on the kind of work done and can even be as high as $10,000. All you need to do is register on the platform, fill in the necessary details. Registration on the platform is also free. So I don't know why nobody would want to register on this kind of platform, especially when registration is free. So if the registration is free, you should definitely check it out, because you honestly don't have anything to lose at the end of the day as well. I mean, what's the harm? You register on the platform, someone reaches out to you for a job, and then you do the job. It's as simple as that. The emergence of Elance and Odesk is basically the creation of Upwork. Now, this site was formerly called Elance and Odesk, and it connects businesses to all sizes of freelancers. Now, this site is actually a lot more encompassing than most of the other sites. There's so many niches that you can choose from, so many great benefits in the long term as well. And there are also various job opportunities posted on the site frequently. And all you need to do is complete your profile and get job highlights ideal for you or relevant to your niche. Now, I know a lot of people say, oh my God, a lot of people just say, complete your profile and then you're going to get jobs. But I've been on the site for this number of time. I've been on the site for this long and I've not gotten any job. But if you want me to do a video on how you can actually get jobs, then you definitely should comment down below. The platform says it has over 11 million registered freelancers and more than 5 million registered clients. Now, that is actually not proportionate to the number of clients that are there. I mean, 11 million freelancers to register clients, that's like 6 million more people are registered on the platform than 5 million of them. But Upwork actually has really good ratings and it is pretty competitive as well, like I said before. But as long as you do really good work, you're assured of making bank. But if you'd like me to do an in-depth video on how you can actually get clients on these freelance websites, then I'd be more than willing to do that. For Upwork, all you need to do is go on their site, register as a content creator, register and select your relevant niche, and then you could get clients. Just make it very attractive. But yeah, like I said before, I'd be more than willing to tell you how you can actually get clients on these websites. Whether you design logos, write content, program, or even offer voiceover services, Fiverr is unarguably one of the best sites to register on as a freelance content creator. You can get jobs from the comfort of your home and get paid. Why Fiverr tops this list is largely due to how broad it is in terms of the range of services freelancers on the platform offer and just how many people make use of the platform in general. It is important to actually be really good at what you do and complete your profile with compelling and attractive cover photos in order to get really good reviews, which can boost your rating and help you make more money. Now, Fiverr is just like every other site, but it tops this list because of the range of services that people on the platform actually offer. So if you're a voiceover artist, if you program, if you write, if you design logos, you definitely should register on this platform. Now, I would advise for you to register on all of these platforms. Register on as many platforms as possible so you can get jobs from different sources. Now, you could be making a lot of money as a freelance content creator, but all you need to do is get lots of good ratings. And I would be more than willing to tell you guys how you can actually get clients on this website. So just comment down below if you are interested. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you guys so much for sticking through to the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you guys so much and see you guys in my next video. Bye.